Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is James and this is the Creator Growth Academy. We are going to get into a series of 10 videos that I had done on the very first channel as one video, but I feel like there is much more information that I can actually give you as 10 separate videos. So this is the first. This is just to get you started and in the expectation that in the next 20 days, you and I are going to learn how to actually, truly, and well get started on your own YouTube channel. There is so much for us to learn. There are so many topics for us to go through. I want you to subscribe to the channel and then we can get started. By the time you are finishing this series, you will know exactly what you need to do. And this is what I want you to do. Anytime you watch any of the videos that I will share in this particular series, please take a pen and paper and write things down. This is the only way to actually get you going on the right direction for your channel. It is not enough for you to just watch the video and then go away. You need to watch the video, make some notes, make a step towards the next video on your channel. And the hope that I have with this particular series is to help you go from just being a viewer to start being a creator. There are so many things that I will teach you in this particular series. This is a Creator Growth Academy.